Always wanted to change your Windows 11 lock screen? Here's how. Click right mouse button on the desktop and select Personalize. Then click on Lock Screen. Here you can change the lock screen type. Let's start with Windows Spotlight. This will automatically refresh the lock screen with built-in wallpapers, whether or not combined with fax. Now select Picture. Here you can select recent images or browse them. Clicking on an image will select it and use it as the lock screen background. You also have other options, like showing fax or detailed status from an app. The third option is a slideshow. Select it. When you click on Browse, you can select a folder with multiple images to show as a slideshow. When you scroll down, some general slideshow options are visible. Let's change it back to Picture. For more interesting how-to videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks.